Your neighbor's front yard looks like it belongs on a magazine cover. Yours doesn't. And here's the part that stings. They probably spent less money than you did. Most people think an expensive-looking yard means an expensive budget. Big landscaping crews, fancy nurseries, thousands of dollars. But that's not true. What actually makes a front yard look high-end has almost nothing to do with money, and almost everything to do with which plants you choose and how you place them. Today, I'm going to show you 10 plants that cost less than a few coffees each, but make your home look like you hired a professional landscaper. No special skills, no huge budget, just the right plants in the right spots. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 10 plants create that polished, put-together curb appeal look, the one that makes people slow down when they drive past your house. I'll walk you through each plant, why it works, where to put it, and how much sun and water it actually needs, in plain simple language. You'll also learn the secret formula professional landscapers use to make any yard look expensive, even with cheap plants. Once you understand this formula, you won't just be copying a list. You'll be able to design your own front yard with confidence, using whatever plants you already have or can easily find. This isn't about working harder in your garden. It's about working smarter, so your yard looks better with less effort, less money, and less stress. If you've ever bought plants, put them in the ground, and still felt like something was missing, you're not alone. Most beginner gardeners make the same mistake. They buy pretty plants, but they don't think about how those plants work together. The result is a yard that looks scattered instead of designed. Here at Stress-Free Garden Living, we believe gardening shouldn't feel overwhelming. You don't need a green thumb, a big yard, or years of experience. You just need to understand a few simple principles, and the rest takes care of itself. That's exactly what we're going to do together today. Stick around, because tip number 7 on this list is one most homeowners completely overlook, and it's often the single plant that makes the biggest visual difference in the entire yard. If you skip it, your yard might still look nice, but it won't look expensive. I'll explain exactly why when we get there. Before we get to the plants, let's quickly talk about why this even works. An expensive-looking yard almost always has 3 things: contrast in texture, different heights layered together, and a sense of order, usually through symmetry or repetition. A cheap-looking yard usually has the opposite: plants that are all the same height, scattered randomly, with big gaps of bare dirt or mulch in between. Keep that in mind as we go through the list. Every plant we cover plays a specific role in creating that layered, designed look. Let's start with the plant almost every high-end front yard has in common: boxwood. A single boxwood shrub costs around $15 to $25, but the visual impact is huge. Boxwood works because it's evergreen, meaning it stays green and full all year round, and it can be trimmed into neat, rounded shapes. That clean, structured look is what our brains associate with expensive landscaping. Picture 2 or 3 boxwoods, trimmed into soft round balls, placed evenly along your front walkway or under your windows. Instantly, your yard looks intentional instead of random. Simple action step: plant boxwood in odd numbers, 3 or 5, spaced evenly, in a spot with partial to full sun. Here's a pattern interrupt for you. Roses are actually one of the easiest, lowest maintenance flowering shrubs you can grow, especially the knockout variety. Most people assume roses are fussy and hard to keep alive. Knockout roses are the exception. They cost around $20 to $30 per plant, and they bloom continuously from late spring through fall, giving you months of color without constant deadheading or spraying. The benefit here is bold color. A pop of red or pink against green foliage instantly draws the eye and adds that someone cares for this yard feeling. Visual outcome: think of a cluster of roses near your front door, blooming for months, with almost no extra work from you. Simple action step: plant in full sun, near your entryway or along a fence line, and water deeply once a week. Hydrangeas are the plant that makes people stop and take photos. At around $25 to $35 per plant, they might be a little pricier than the others, but one hydrangea does the visual work of 5 smaller plants. Why they work: hydrangeas produce huge, full flower clusters in blue, pink, white, or purple. That size and fullness reads as luxury. A yard with 1 or 2 hydrangea bushes instantly feels lush and cared for. Simple action step: plant in partial shade. They don't love harsh afternoon sun. and keep the soil consistently moist, especially in summer. If you want one plant that looks like it belongs in a 5-star resort, it's the Japanese maple. Yes, it costs a bit more upfront, usually $40 to $60 for a small one, but it's a one-time investment that pays off for years since it's a slow-growing tree. The reason it looks expensive is its shape and color. The delicate, layered leaves and deep red or orange tones create a focal point unlike anything else in this list. It draws the eye immediately. Visual outcome. Imagine a single, elegant Japanese maple planted near your entryway or as a centerpiece in your front bed, with everything else arranged around it. Simple action step. Plant in a spot with morning sun and afternoon shade, and let it be the star. Don't crowd it with too many other tall plants. Now, before we continue, I want you to notice something. So far, every plant we've covered adds a different layer, structure, color, boldness, and elegance. That's not an accident. That's the formula. And once we finish the list, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine all of these using a simple layout. So stick with me. Lavender is proof that budget-friendly and beautiful can go hand in hand. At just $8 to $15 per plant, it's one of the cheapest options on this list, yet it consistently gives that soft, high-end cottage garden feel people pay landscapers for. It works because of its silvery green foliage and soft purple blooms, which create texture contrast against darker green shrubs like boxwood. It also smells incredible, which adds a sensory layer most other plants don't offer. Simple action step. Plant along a walkway or border in full sun, in soil that drains well. Lavender hates sitting in wet soil. Here's a pattern interrupt, grass, in your flower beds? Yes, and it's one of the most underused tricks in budget landscaping. Ornamental grasses like Carl Forster feather reed grass cost around $15 to $20 and add movement and height that most yards are missing. Why it works? Most front yards are flat and static. Ornamental grass sways in the wind, adding motion and softness, and its tall, vertical shape contrasts beautifully with round shrubs like boxwood. Visual outcome. Picture grass gently swaying behind your rose bushes or beside your entryway, adding life and softness to the whole scene. Simple action step. Plant in full sun toward the back of your bed, since it can grow 3 to 5 feet tall. This is the plant I mentioned earlier, the one most homeowners overlook. Hostas cost around $10 to $20, and they are the easiest way to fill shady spots that would otherwise stay bare and look neglected. Here's why they matter so much. Bare, empty patches under trees or along shaded walls are one of the biggest reasons a yard looks unfinished. Hostas have big, bold leaves that fill that space beautifully, in shades of green, blue-green, or even variegated white and green. Visual outcome. Instead of dirt or mulch under your tree, imagine a full, lush carpet of large leaves that looks intentional and lush. Simple action step. Plant in shady or partly shady areas and water regularly, especially in the first few weeks after planting. Coral bells cost around $10 to $18, and they solve a problem most people don't even realize they have: lack of color variety in the shade. Why they work? Their leaves come in deep purples, oranges, and reds, which most shade plants don't offer. That unexpected color creates contrast and visual interest in spots that would otherwise just be green. Simple action step. Plant them near the front edge of your beds, in partial shade, where their colorful leaves can really stand out. At around $25 to $40 each, emerald green arborvitae gives you that tall, tailored, estate look. These are narrow, upright evergreen shrubs that stay green all year. The reason this works is privacy and structure combined. A few arborvitae planted along a fence line or property edge instantly makes a yard feel more defined and intentional, almost like green architecture. Visual outcome. Picture a soft green wall framing your yard, giving it structure without feeling closed in. Simple action step. Plant in full sun, spaced about 3 feet apart, along a border or fence line. We're ending with a budget favorite. Black-eyed Susans cost just $5 to $12 per plant, and they bloom for months with bright yellow, daisy-like flowers. Why they work? They add a cheerful pop of color that fills gaps between your larger shrubs, and they multiply naturally over time, meaning your investment grows year after year. Simple action step. Plant in full sun, in clusters, along the front edge of your beds where their color can shine. Now here's something important. You can have every single one of these plants and still end up with a yard that looks cheap if you make one of these common mistakes. The first mistake is overcrowding, planting everything too close together with no breathing room. It looks messy instead of lush. The second mistake is skipping edging. A clean line between your grass and your flower beds, even a simple one, instantly makes everything look more polished and intentional. And the third mistake is mismatched mulch or no mulch at all. A fresh layer of mulch in one consistent color ties everything together and gives that just landscaped look for just a few dollars a bag. Here's the most important thing in this entire video, so pay close attention. The real secret to an expensive-looking yard isn't the plants themselves. It's the formula you use to combine them. Start with evergreen anchors, like your boxwood or arborvitae. These give your yard structure and color, even in winter. Then, layer in height variation, using taller plants like Japanese maple or ornamental grass toward the back, medium plants like roses and hydrangeas in the middle, and shorter plants like lavender or black-eyed Susans in front. Finally, add repetition. Instead of one of each plant scattered randomly, plant in odd-numbered groups. 3 lavenders together, 3 black-eyed Susans together. Repetition is what your eye reads as designed, rather than random. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this: anchor, layer, repeat. That formula alone can transform any yard, with any plants, on any budget. Here's the truth. You don't need a huge budget or a professional crew to make your front yard look expensive. You just need the right plants, placed with intention, using a simple formula that anyone can follow. Every plant on this list costs less than a nice dinner out, and together, they can completely transform how your home looks and feels. That's what stress-free gardening is all about: better results, with less money, less guesswork, and less stress. Small, smart choices really do add up to a beautiful, high-end looking yard. If this video helped you see your front yard differently, do me a favor and hit subscribe. Here on Stress-Free Garden Living, we share simple, low-effort tips like this every week, so you can grow a beautiful yard without the stress or the guesswork. I'd love to know, which of these 10 plants are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if your yard already has one of these plants, tell us how it's working out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.